Tinuldukan na ni Zian Lim ang ilang mga isyung ibinabato sa kanya. Una na rito ang komento ng isang TV writer sa kanya na kung saan sinabi nitong mahirap daw katrabaho ang aktor. Matatanda ang nag-react si Tabora sa isang article na nilabas na isang news site. Komento noon ni Tabora ay hindi umano naging madali sa kanya ang makatrabaho ang aktor na si Zian. What a freaking joke! And is also super difficult to work with. Made our lives as TV writers miserable. Walang pag-aalinlangang sinagot ito ng aktor. Ayon kay Zian, natural lamang umano para sa kanyang trabaho ang maging concern siya sa kanyang character na pinoportray. Ginagawa lamang umano niya ang kanyang trabaho bilang aktor. Nagpaalala din si Zian na sa sitwasyong mga nangyayari ay laging may dalawang uri ng kwento. Am I difficult to work with? I don't think so. I speak my mind on set, I raise concerns, I give an opinion and ask questions about the character I am about to portray. As I should because it's my job to bring life to it. Maybe it comes off as difficult to other people. I'm just passionate about my craft. Sadly, when it comes to these kinds of rumors, it's easier to believe that artists are being difficult. That's the easiest fruit to pick, rather than seeing how much effort we are putting in. Let's remember that there are always two sides to the story. Kinumusta din si Zian matapos tuldukan ng 12 years nilang relationship ni Kim Chu. Sa ngayon umano ay focus siya sa kanyang trabaho. No ill feeling din daw para sa kanila ng aktres dahil tinapos nila ng maayos ang kanilang relasyon. Pag-amin din ni Zian, masakit din para sa kanyang nangyari pero wala na umanong magagawa pa dahil nangyari na ang hiwalayan nila ni Kim Chu. Ang tanging magagawa na lamang daw nila, lalo na ang kanilang fans ay tanggapin na wala na sila ng aktres. Of course, no ill feelings. I'm really just focused on work. I'm really just focused on my craft. I want to be as creative as possible. I want to create. I just finished writing and directing a movie. It's a horror movie that you will know soon. We shot in Thailand. My focus is on work, nothing else in terms of ill feelings. Wala po yan because we talk about this. It was a wonderful 12 years. It wasn't a toxic relationship. So when it happened, we assured each other that we would be okay. We are on good terms and we're gonna be happy for each other. I know it's painful, especially for the people who supported us for 12 years. Pero hindi naman namin ito ginusto. Kaya nga siya tumagal ng 12 years is because we work on the relationship. Pinagtatanggol namin ang isa't isa. We were there for each other. Wala pong pagkukulang. It's just that life happens. Nangyari po yung nangyari, so masakit din po yun para sa amin. I think they should accept and let's just all move on with our lives. Maring pinabulaanan din ni Zian Lim ang nilabas na balita ni OG Diaz sa kanyang channel na kung saan bago umano siya nakipaghiwalay sa aktres, nagpaluto daw muna siya ng steak. Ayon kay Zian, wala umanong katotohanan ito at hindi din daw siya ang nakipaghiwalay. Nakiusap pa nga daw si Zian 2 weeks after ng kanilang paghiwalay na kung pwede umanong sabihin na nila in public na wala na sila. Dahil nakakatanggap na daw ang pamilya ng aktor ng threats dahil sa hiwalayan nila ni Kim Chu. There's no truth to it. Okay, it's very absurd. I did not. It's not possible. Di ako yung nag-initiate ng breakup eh. Nakaka-stress lang kasi 90% of the time naman parang hindi naman siya accurate, so no truth to it. What's the truth is that I called Kim. We parted ways then. Nung mga panahon na yon, may mga lumalabas na balita. Ito na po yung nakakatanggap nanay ko ng threats. If I may give an example, there was an instance na may mga sinabi sila na parang sana mamatay na daw yung lola ko. They even brought up her cancer. And this is from a supporter that turned into a family that we know. It has gotten way out of hand doon sa 2 weeks after breakup. So I had to give her a call. This was around November. I was actually begging Kim that we should release a statement that we have gone on our separate ways, on good terms. Walang sigawan, of course, maiyakan like normal human beings but walang masamang tinapay. Walang masamang anything, but it was getting out of hand. I asked her to and I actually was begging for both of us to release a statement. But during that call, she declined. She said, in time, I guess that in time was December before Christmas. Hindi ko alam kung bakit yon ang na-decide nila and why nila ako pinagbigyan. But I was glad we got to release both statements. Again, wala naman pong masamang tinapay. Pilit lang po kaming pinag-aaway. I guess kung sino man. Nang tanungin ng aktor kung bakit nagsasalita na siya ngayon tungkol sa mga issue na kanyang kinasasangkutan, ay ayon dito dapat din kasi umanong malaman ng publiko ang katotohanan. Dahil yun umano ang kanyang pinangahawakan. Ayaw daw kasi niyang masira ang 15 years niya in showbiz nang dahil lamang sa breakup nila ni Kim Chiu. Yun lang po yung pinangahawakan ko. The truth. These are the things that happened. I wouldn't say it's liberating, but I think people deserve to know the truth. Parang I just wanna work. I work really hard to get where I am today. 15 years is no joke, so I don't wanna be defined or maalala ako ng mga tao dahil lang dito sa breakup because of the negative things and the made up things people are saying. No, I work hard. I want to be remembered for the projects that I do and for living truthfully.